Good morning. It's now 6:13 a.m. and um, I'm feeling really dehydrated. But someone is controlling this furnace because it's set on automatic. It haven't cut off. I went to sleep. I woke up around three something. It was running then. It's still running, and it's gone down. This thing was like wide open. When it just started going down, but I just can't hear it. But when I woke up, it was like roaring, really blowing really hard. Someone is controlling this, and they're trying to damage our brain because this thing been hitting my head all night. Something was been hitting me in the top of my head right here before I even went back to sleep. Because I prayed around three something. I prayed, and it's like a roaring. I'm really thinking it's the guy over here. It's the guy over here, with the white van, because I saw them putting something up by the door. I'm not sure, but so it's been controlled. But I just can't hear it now. It was, I mean, this thing was roaring. So there's no way someone just, and they know I'm up. So they got to be looking at me. They know I'm up. They knew I was getting ready to make this video. They cut it down real low. It's still running, but it's real low where you can't hear it. I just can't hear it. But it was up so powerful that the inside of my legs was vibrating. This right part of my head sizzling. You know, this is some dangerous stuff that people playing around with. These are some dangerous, extremely dangerous, extremely dangerous people. Um, I was looking at the prophetess today. I'm always looking at her videos, and she said she had a dream where she was home, and these people came. I'm trying to think, were they knocking on the door? Yeah, I think they knocked on the door. Anyway, they came in and arrested her and started bringing all these charges, false charges against her. And they took her and cut off her head without any type of trial, without taking her in front of a judge. They just took her and murdered her. These gang stalking people, this is the type of people and capable of putting the law in their own hands. Because that's what they're doing. They're putting the law in their own hands when they're attacking us. They cowards. A bunch of cowards. That's exactly what they are. But how would they feel if someone did this to them? Or did this to their family? Because when the other people, And she was talking like some they were gonna be someone. She didn't say China and she didn't say Russia. She named another country was coming. She have said Russia and China, but in this dream it wasn't Russia and China. It was another country. I can't think of the name of it. I was telling you something, Ukraine or something like that. I can't remember. When these other people come over here, where they going? These people that hire them, not gonna be able to help them. The people and not their children, they're not gonna be able to help them. But she talked like when Russia and China come over here. China, she said China was gonna will kill the men and take the women back to China. Have them on dope and cause them to be sex slaves. Because the judgment of God is coming to this country. The judgment of God is coming to this country and they can't stop it. But see, these rich people think they're going underground to these bunkers. They just don't know God can cause an earthquake up under the ground and destroy all them bunkers. You know, they want to kill everybody up here. They want us dead. They want to treat us like we nothing. That we're not even human. So someone is controlling this furnace. It haven't stopped. It still haven't stopped. They just cut it down low so you couldn't hear it. But it's on. Before I even cut this on, I wanted to make sure it was still on automatic. It's still on automatic, but they haven't cut off. They haven't cut off in some hours because if it would, I would have heard. It would have woke me up because when it cuts off, it hits the floor. It hits the floor. This is not the one that coming out through the furnace. This is the one that's coming through the floor. That's why it rumbles and my body vibrates because it's attacking my body. But these people watching me, I don't know if they got a camera set up in here or they just watching me through my eyes. Because for him to, or her, whoever it is, to cut it down, they knew I would get ready the video. I hate young. Um, I want to talk about this thing I did yesterday. My daughter was showing me this video with these people that put the garlic in their nose. I did it the first time, but I didn't cut the garlic. I just took the whole clove in my nose. And I just started sneezing. I sneezing. I just had uncontrollable sneezing. And I was wondering, were those spirits coming out of me? But it was uncontrollable spirit. I mean, sneezing. Just constantly. And didn't no smoke come out. So I talked to my daughter when they had shown me the video. She said, "No, Mom, you're supposed to cut it in half." So I did it again, cut it in half. I don't know how long I left it up there. But I cut it in half and I stuck it in my nose. And I let it stay up there a long time. Probably about a half hour. And my skin is so dry. That's with my orange trees. Let me talk about this first. Not talk about orange trees. But I left it maybe a half hour, I would say. I left it long enough I couldn't hardly breathe that stuff in my nose. And so I took it out. It didn't come out like the people on the video. Cause the people on the video, it just slide, just come down. Big old bubble come out. Mine didn't do that, but I could tell that the stuff was there. So I blew my nose and tissue. It was a lot too. It was a whole lot. So it do work. It will draw the mucus out of your head. Uh, Garlic, and then cut the garlic in half. One clove, cut it in half. Put one piece on this side, one piece on this side. Just let it sit there. At first you can breathe, but the longer you sit it up there, you can't hardly breathe. That's why I had to take it down. But it would clear all that mucus and stuff in your head. It really works. I was saying about my orange trees. They got thorns. I mean, long thorns, extremely long. They just scratching up my arms, trying to prune them because I left them out in the cold too long, and it messed up the leaves. Then some of the branches started messing up, so I had to cut. I had to prune it and cut some of the leaves and cut some of the branches out to try to save my trees. I got some new ones. Oh, I got some new ones today through the mail. So I got 6 new ones. I think all citrus. Yeah, all citrus. One of them was an orange. Well, 3 of them I didn't know what they were gonna send me because it was like a trio. But I didn't pick it out. I didn't pick out what it was I wanted. They sent me some type of orange, and I looked it up, and they talking about it was a bitter orange. I said, "Oh God, I'm gonna have to cross pollinate that with something. I don't want to eat no bitter orange." So I'm gonna cross pollinate it with something and change. Hopefully it'll return sweet. I got the hiccups. I hate having hiccups. I hate having hiccups. I ain't never cross pollinated a fruit or anything. But I'm gonna see if I can cross pollinate that with something sweet. I got 2 blood orange. I don't know how they're gonna taste. How blood orange taste. I cut that back. My blood. They were real tall. They were little plants when I got them. They real tall now. Concord is just little. It's real. It's still small, but it had fruit on it. I did take the fruit off today though. But when it first grew the fruit, probably should have took it out off so the plant would grow. My lemon tree, I had to cut it down. It's a pink lemon. Yeah, the pretty leaves. Yeah, really pretty leaves on it. See, I can hear it just a little slightly. But these people really are trying to destroy our brain while we sleep. I'm gonna go back to sleep. I'll sleep for about 2 more. I think also there's something in this. It's in it. They send it in here to make you sleep. Even though I'm woke, this a weird feeling I'm getting. I don't want to sleep on camera. Tell they been attacking my head. Like I said, I think they trying to destroy our brains. Well, they don't destroy my sister's brain. And my sister, I tell you, I hate to keep talking about her, but she's really bothering me because she get where now she can sit up, she can get up, and she can stand up, and she can walk. But she's getting where she determined she's not gonna do it as long as we asking her to do it. So like if I'm trying to wash her and I'm trying to turn her so that I can wash maybe the front part or maybe try to turn her so I can do the back part, she's turning opposite from what I'm turning. And if I'm trying to get her up, have her to stand up so that I can put her the pen on, she's trying to fall on the floor, trying to act like there's something wrong with her legs when there's nothing wrong with her legs. She don't want to. She don't want to stand up. She don't want to turn. She don't want to do nothing because we asking her to do it. But if we not around and she wants to get up and walk around, she do. But so there be some mornings when I go in her room, she already sitting up. But if I was to ask her to sit up, she won't do it. Yesterday I had her sitting in her chair or listening to music. I would like to put the gospel music on for her. And when I went back in there to check on her, she was in the bed. So she got up out of the chair and got in the bed. Today, I'm trying to get her to get up out the chair and get in the bed so she can go to bed. She wouldn't. And stuff like that. It's called a problem between me and my sister, my daughter rather. Because it makes me angry. Because I know she can get up. I know she can stand up. And she be trying her best to fall on the floor. And I don't understand, what is your purpose of falling on the floor? Because if she fall on the floor, I can't get her up. Because she be using her strength not to get up. It's really bothering me. And then it's messing with my body. These people attack my body every single night. They have my spine vibrating. And then trying to pull on her is just breaking me down. I'm trying not to be crippled my own self, you know. And she just won't, just because she don't want nobody telling her what to do. She'll say it. She'll sit there. I don't want nobody saying nothing to me. I don't want nobody telling me what to do. I mean, she'll come out and say stuff like that. And I just can't understand, how can you be so mean and somebody's trying to wash you, somebody trying to feed you, you know. she just mean. I don't understand. How can you be so mean? And she know what she doing. She know what she doing. It's just like she want to be sicker than what she is. And I just can't. I'm tired. I'm tired. I really am tired of dealing with this because she is just being mean on purpose. You try to take her to eat. She'll get to a certain spot every single time. And then she'll just start staggering like she's gonna fall down. And I got to use all my strength to hold her up, get to grabbing on stuff. I mean, she just doing stuff. It don't make no sense. No kind of sense. Then when I'm bringing her back, and I don't be wanting to put her in that chair because she don't want to get up. And I have a hard time getting her up to do like to change the pen or do something for her. I don't know what to do. I'm just tired. I'm tired. And I'm late in my age that I don't need to be where I don't feel comfortable with life. Trying to help somebody else. And I got myself in a bad predicament. But to me, this is a really bad predicament. Because she know what she doing. She'd sit in her room and just cuss and talk junk and talk the most junk. What's she gonna do to somebody? Can't do nothing. But if I ask her a question, she don't understand English. Or she mumbling, or talking like she done had a stroke or something. But she'll sit in there and cuss and talk the biggest junk. But she don't wanna but then she wanna act like she can't talk. I don't understand that. I really don't understand it. Then I got these devils. Got me surrounded. Got me surrounded. This stuff is messing with my throat. That's why and I can just look at my neck. My neck was not like this here. But my skin is just hanging down. But it's affecting all this vibration is affecting my neck on the inside and causing my skin to just hang. I got to check my total gym though. I'm gonna start exercising. Something I hope I can lift it up and slide back and forth because something happened to it. One of the hooks. I don't know. I had leaned down on it by my bed to pray and something snapped. I'm just hoping it's not the piece that you put up on the bottom, it can slide back and forth. Because I got it sitting in my bedroom. I had to move it because I had tripped on it and hit that floor. I fell hard too. My knee still hurting. But I'm gonna have to start working on my arms and working on my body and get on that bike looking thing. It's not a bike. I can't remember what it's called. Work on my legs and stuff. These people trying to destroy my body along with my brain and my heart because I'm right here. This is where my heart is, and it's burning and in my stomach. These people are murderers. I've been praying asking God to reveal to me who's behind my gang stalking. And I just keep still feeling this man, Danny Bradshaw, who was the chief of police in my hometown. I just still feel it's him. But I want to know, because whoever it is really uh, evil person. I know those black people that came out there, where they been white and black people coming to get people to attack me. They been two went over there to the white man house with the white van, and there was three that went across in front right there, talking to that old. That might, that older man might be the one that stay there. They keep riding over there. I don't know, but this is an older man that stay over there, and there was a woman that went over there in a burgundy car. There was a wait a minute, was that? Yeah, there was a woman with a burgundy car. Then there was somebody in a black car, and then there was two trucks. I got it all on video. But these are the people that taught him into letting them put that car over there. So the man that, but I saw somebody go over there with a like Lexus, and he went inside the house. That's not the person that he was an older person though, but it don't look like the same person that's driving that burgundy car. But I seen somebody with a burgundy Lexus too. A lot of people going over there with burgundy cars because the military guy, he had burgundy. But I seen a burgundy Lexus over there also. So these colored cars, they represent something. They represent something. I guess when they start talking the burgundy car, that means they about to kill you. Because they really putting it on me now. They really putting it on me. And I can't understand, how can you hurt another human being like that? You can't even hurt dogs and animals like that because you will go to jail for animal rights and stuff like that. So I guess we don't have no rights anymore. Animals have more rights than we do. Because I just can't hear that furnace now. That's how low it is. But it was like something roar. It was like a roaring sound. That's how high it was. Hitting coming and this stuff coming up in my body. My body's still vibrating. Still vibrating. But I just pray to God to reveal all this. These people think they're gonna get away with it. They may get away with it with man, but not with God, because He sees it. And I'm praying. There's a lot of people praying to the Lord about this gang stalking, and He hear our cry, and He gonna answer. He is gonna answer because the prophets are talking about technology. They talking about technology. Things happening with technology. So God is revealing things to the prophet about technology and the attacks on people with this technology. So God is gonna deal with it. He's gonna handle this. I don't know exactly how he's gonna do it, but something's gonna be done. Something's gonna be done. Whoever this is, the evil, wicked person, they pretty much death. Only death want to create death. It's like a murderer is a murderer. Death is on them. They have a spirit of murder inside of them. And these people right here, they're trying to draw death. The spirit of death is in them. The spirit of death is in them. This is what they want to create every day. Every day they is trying to bring us closer and closer to death. So along with death is murder, hatred. They don't tell them what's all, but 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 they up. This is their night shift because they be up all night long doing this. They started out kind of sounding a little normal, and then I started feeling this stuff hitting my private area. That's why I moved. 'Cause I won't hear at first. I was somewhere, and I moved because I could feel uh, it was bumping up against the house, and I feel really shooting up against the house. There's a pipe or something the way this stuff shoots up, and it'll hit my private area. So I got up and I moved. I don't know if they think they turning me on or something. They don't turn me on. It's disgusting. It's pure disgusting. Someone want to use energy to attack somebody's private area. It's sickening. Pure sickening. I'm not a person that they just have to have sex. I'm just a person that men was attracted to. Men was attracted to me. In my younger years, my hair was long. I had a nice shape. Even after having my children. So men was attracted to me. It's not that I wanted to have sex. I'm more like type of person. I like to have someone to talk to and laugh and talk with a person. But while you laughing and talking, their mind is somewhere else. So sex, they don't. This is disgusting to me. It's not turning me on. Y'all can hang it up. One thing I won't do is have sex. As long as I'm a single woman, and it's for now until I die. I'm not. I don't trust no man to go on no date. Not even out to dinner. 'Cause I know how to cook. I won't trust another man. I won't be somebody booty call. I'm too old for that. I don't need to go out to dinner. I don't need to go to the movie. I don't need to do none of that. I just want peace in my life. And I know now that in order for me to have peace in my life, I cannot take care of my sister. I can't take care of my sister because my sister is just mean, and she wants to be sicker than what she is. She messed up in the mind, but she can walk. She can sit up. She can lift her legs. She don't even want to lift her leg up. I have to pretty much pry her leg up to put her depend on her because she won't. And if she get this look on her face, and she can get me so angry, and then she'll laugh at me because I know she can do, and she just won't. And it's really bothering me. This thing is really, really bothering me. And these people just destroying my body. I'm just vibrating on the inside, still vibrating. So there's some kind of way that they can They sending something in here to make me vibrate. Because the more I talk, and it's starting to, the vibration in my body is coming back up. That guy, he just took all his curtain down. He just got his window open so they can see. Probably when I go out on the porch to pick up a package or something. 'Cause I've been ordering stuff for my plants. I got plant food, but I can't find it. I done looked through all that stuff. The most I can find is my soap stuff. And I got plenty of stuff in my soap for soaps and body butter stuff like that. But I can't find my plant food. I don't know what I put it in. You got to be out there somewhere. I done looked through everything, and I can't find it. Just buy a little bit of stuff at a time. So by the time the spring get here, I'll have everything I need because I really want my trees to grow. I wish I had land where I could just grow. Just put some of it down in the dirt and keep some of it in pots. They probably some things probably grow better in the dirt. Some will grow better in the pots. Like my citrus, I would let them stay in the pots. 'Cause I have to bring them. But I seen some people what they did. Um, and they in North Carolina too. But this one guy, he took Christmas tree lights and wrapped it all around his tree. Then he took some bricks and piled the bricks up to cover the trunk, maybe 3 layers of all the way around the tree. And he took some stalks and stalked it and put it in so to stay in place. And he took this plant shield and put down over the um the plant. I mean the tree, and it had up against the house, not touching the house, but where the house will help protect it from one side of the tree. So I seen like two guys do that. I guess they had their own home, their own land where they could put this stuff down. But they in North Carolina. They got to be somewhere near me. They said the eastern North Carolina. I'm in eastern North Carolina. I don't know what I ain't said nothing to them. But growing plants and stuff like this is really good for your brain. It's really good for your health to grow plants. I have to buy some more pots to put my trees in and get some more plant food. This man, he was telling how to treat the trees for diseases and stuff like that. And he had a recipe, and I wrote the recipe down. I actually brought the stuff that he said to use, except for I need to get. I've never seen 1% peroxide though. He said to use 1% peroxide and 70% alcohol and mix it with the stuff that I brought. I already brought the other stuff. So I got to see if I can find some. Well, I might can make 1% peroxide. Because I have food grade peroxide. And probably, I don't know if it's like 1 ounce to maybe 8 ounces of water. Put 1 ounce of uh, peroxide to that. It might, 16 ounces. I'll Google it. You can find how to do all kind of stuff on the internet. But need 1% peroxide is 70. I got some 90-something% alcohol, so I have to find some 70% alcohol. He said 90% is too strong. Use that on the plant. So doing that, it should kill any bugs. The alcohol peroxide should kill the infection, disease, or whatever is wrong with it. That's what he do to his plant. So I'm gonna try that recipe. He tell you how much measure and everything. I just need me a apple tree. I do have a pear. I got a pear tree. There's a tree out there. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is, but it's tall, whatever it is. I know my kiwi trees. They didn't do nothing, but the root was still good. So I put the root. I took the root out of the pot that it was in, and I put another tree in there. But I put the root back up on the dirt. So hopefully the root will grow something. But they said long as the root good, it'll regrow a plant. So both roots are real good. So I'm gonna see if it does. Now I just have to buy 2 more kiwi. I just want to have different trees. I just don't know where my life is headed right now. I don't know why I didn't get married. Well, nobody want to marry me. Put it like that. I'm not a bad person. I think this evil, whatever this evil is behind this gang stalking, it was behind it. Maybe I need to try to see. Do I have a spirit husband that's trying to destroy me from getting married to a man? Because that's what they say spirit husband and spirit wives can cause you not to get married because they claim you as theirs. But I don't belong to no demon. And I reject it. I denounce a spirit husband. I denounce it. I reject any type of spirit that want to take claim to me. I don't accept your claim. And I call you dead in my life. I don't accept you. I cause you dead in my life. You are dead, spirit husband. I don't know if somebody trying to play games with me or what. when I said you were dead in my life, I felt that vibration stop. Like I told you, they listen to me. And this is they using remote control to do what they do. But I don't accept no spirit husband. I don't even have a human husband. They never get one, I don't know. Being in the house all the time, how you gonna meet somebody? I don't go nowhere to meet anybody. Even though I know people. I know guys. But I don't, I'm not gonna date no more. That's God himself say that I can trust this person. And I don't know God gonna tell me. I just saw a video with this lady. She was in her 60s, her first time getting married. I hope you can't hear that music. I cut it down real low, but I can still hear it slightly. Because I don't want YouTube saying I'm copying something about copywritten. Because they had wrote me about something about copywritten. And they want nothing. Everything was me. How can I copyright my own self? I think they're just trying to cause me some problems. What I'm talking about. I wasn't reading. I didn't quote nothing nobody else said. I was showing how these people attacking me and what they're doing. That's not copyright. That somebody is attacking me using technology. I'm getting proof that someone is trying to hurt me. I need to get off of here. It's already 7 o'clock. I don't know what time it was when I cut this thing off. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. And try to maybe I can get some more sleep. Maybe not. But good morning. Have a blessed, extremely blessed Sunday. Those of you who go to church, I pray that you have a wonderful Sunday service. If you go to church on Sunday, some people don't go to church on Sunday. Some go on Saturday, and it's not because of their whether or not they're not a 7 day Adventist. Sunday apostle, he do church on Saturday, but he's not a 7 day Adventist. He just say this is the Sabbath, so he do church on Saturday. Which I used to do church on Saturday too. Me and the kids when we had Bible study on Saturday at noon. We had Bible study on Saturday morning, every Saturday morning at noon. And they came too. Those children were faithful about coming to Bible study to the parents. Got to running their mouth and trying to. Some parents just messy. Got to be glad that the children learned about the Lord because they full of sin. But that was the devil. The devil couldn't use the children, so he used the parents. I'm teaching them about, what the Bible said about. See, not my opinion. It's something I don't use my opinion about stuff. I try to interpret the Bible by what the Bible is saying. But let me get off here.